Hi guys, this is Kenya back with Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I wanted to film a quick video showing you guys that I have pulled out all of my Christmas decor. Well, not all of it, but a good part of it. And I have started putting my trees up. And so that's why you guys haven't seen me as often as you normally would, because my house is a complete wreck. And I've pulled all of my stuff out. So here's some bins. Here's another bin. Let's see if I can show you guys all the cuteness in there. And here, I've used a lot of stuff out of this bin already. And this is from another bin. So all of the ornaments and everything in there. And another bin here with ornaments, and another bin here. And all of these bags over here are items that I need to haul for you guys. I'm just trying to get time to do that, but I will be showing you guys all the items that I purchased for Christmas this year. Okay, and let's see here. Here's more ornaments and things over here. And I have started on my tree. I won't show you guys that, but you'll get a little peek of it. Here's another box on the staircase. And there's a box down here under this stuff. I usually use this curtain as a skirt for my tree, and as you can see, I still have more boxes in my storage area back here. So I still have a lot of decor to pull out, but you know, I've started decorating, and I have let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 of my trees up already. And I'm just coming out here, and here's another box there, and another bin here. And as you guys can see, here's some extra bins, so I've already emptied a couple of bins, but yeah, here's another one with all of my beautiful bows that I'll be using. More bows here, and this is a garland that I put in the bag from last year because it's blocked, so you know, try to control the mess. Another bin, and another tree right there. I have the tree in the entryway up, the tree in my husband's office. You can see that in the background back there. I have that tree up, it's not decorated yet. I have a little tree there. I'm not going to show you guys too much of that, but there's a tree there. And still have my fall table up. Here's my tree here, and I have 2 more in the box right here. So yeah, we're well on our way. So I just wanted to take a quick minute to show you guys what I've been up to, why I've kind of been missing in action, not really posting so many videos as I normally would, because I am in the deep of it with Christmas. I'm trying to get everything together. So I will be back soon with another video, but I just wanted to share with you guys right now what's going on. Alrighty guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this. If so, be sure to go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also go ahead and leave me some comments down below to let me know if you guys have started your Christmas decor just yet. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you've enjoyed this enough to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so that you will receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Alrighty guys, and for my faithful family members, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. It truly does mean so much to me. And I will see all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.